Now I am going to start the class. Just pay attention on the blackboard. In the classroom, we have just started chemical equation and reactions. And also in the online class, we are moving forward with properties of light under refraction of light. So here we will continue refraction of light. So the topic for today will be refraction of light. And we will also continue, we will also having some of the numericals that will be based on the spherical mirrors. Okay, because we had seen in the NCERT only 3 or 4 numericals have been given. Until now we have solved many more numericals. So different level of the numericals we will do one by one. That will be based on the formula magnification minus b by u. That is equal to hn by ho. So some numerical based on this, that is for reflection, not refraction. Yeah, reflection of light. So we will also have some of the numerical based on this, so that we can continue, we can retain the numericals in our mind. So first of all, I will like to start one of the numerical. I will solve this forward in the refraction. So just see one question I am writing here, and I will provide you all to look after that. Just see. An object, or you can write the magnification produced by a spherical mirror is minus 1 by 3. Whose total length 12 centimeters. Find the position of this is the question. Just note down the question. I will move forward with the solution. Then we will have some of the new topics. That is the refraction. Note down the question. This is not from any book. Just this is I have given. See how we can find, how we can cross check. Every time I have told you, any numerical we can solve, we can have its cross check, so that we can confirm about our solution inside the class. After leaving the exam hall, we get confirmation that I was wrong. No, in the examination only we have to confirm. So just see. First of all, whatever information has been given, you need to note down. Just see step by step. Given that this is the value of magnification m. M is minus 1 by 2. Focal length is 12. F 12. Now either it is plus 12 or minus 12. Can anyone tell me? Because everywhere the sign is required. So what will be the sign of F, whether it is negative or positive, and why? Can anyone tell? Anyone? अपने आप को अनम्यूट करके बोलो जी. If it is negative, then why? If it is positive, then why? अनम्यूट करो और बोलो, चैट बॉक्स में लिखना, बोल लो। यस एनीवन? नो? दो दो सेक्शन हो जी, एन वाले भी हो, एफ वाले भी हो, कोई भी बोल दो। नहीं बोलोगे, चलो। सी हियर, we have written magnification is -1/3. Minus represents it is a real image. If m is negative, it is real. M is positive. So this negative indicates it is a real, and real image are by concave. So this negative sign indicates, you can confirm here, negative sign shows it's a concave mirror, because negative is real image is found by concave. In concave, the focal length. Now you can confirm. Now move forward. M is equal to minus 3 by 2 and M is minus 1 by 3. That implies minus 1 by 3 minus 3 by 2. Therefore, you have to find the position of object. Means U. Our target is to locate U. So V should be converted in the form of U. Just see here, minus minus cancel. V will be U by 3. V will be written as U by 3. Now, 1 by U, 1 by V, 1 by F. Our target is, just see, 1 by U plus 1 by V. 1 by V by 3 by 1 by F. F is minus 12. Just see, you can find the value of U. So it is 4 by U barabar minus 1 by 12. Therefore, U minus 48 centimeters. U is always negative, so it is also in the correct form. Still, we have not confirmed the result whether we have completed is 100% correct or not. This is simply the value. We have to verify our result whether I have solved correctly. So just I am going to read the question. Once again I am telling, in the note copy you have to add all the questions whatever I have provided you in the classroom or in the. So U is minus 48, so we have found the position of object. Now check, cross check whether it is true or not. U is minus 48, F is minus 12, so V will be V is U by 3, minus 48 by 3 means minus 16. Just see, V is equal to U by 3, U is minus 48. Now check, this is concave, P, F, C. Just see, focal length is 12, this is 12, this is 24. U is 48, means object is beyond C. 48 will come beyond C. Just find the answer. When the object is beyond C, image is formed in between C and F, and real image is formed. So, in this case, you know, real image is formed and left side is V will be negative and it is more than focal length, less than radius of curvature. So value of V will be greater than F but less than R. This and also diminished image and real image. So real in question we have found V is negative. Yes, V is negative. V is between F and R. F is 12, this is 24. So V must be between 12 to 24. V is 16. 12 to 24, then negative sign. Confirm, confirm, confirm. 100% correct answer. Is any doubt? Anyone? If anyone having any type of doubt, you can ask. Any आगे check. Check में first of all you have to collect the information UPF mirror formula. All three values you have to note down. And according to this C, focal length is 12, this is 24. U is 48. 48 will be out of C. So what is the ray diagram? You have learned that the object is beyond C, image is between C and F. Real and inverted or diminished form. So image will be between this and this. This is the V. So V value of V will be more than F but less than C. Hence it is 12, F is 12, it is 24. So it will be between 12 and 24. V is between 12 and 24. That is negative, it is real, or left side is wrong. If you are asked to find the size of object, image, you can write size of image diminished. If the object size was given, or it will be given, then you can also find the size of the image. That will come in the form of diminished or less than height of object. Okay? So any numerical, whenever you solve, just do the cross check. That will confirm your result. Okay? So हमने क्लास में भी बोला है जी, एग्जाम में पूछता है तो डायग्राम बनाएंगे. हमारे जितने न्यूमेरिकल्स प्रैक्टिस करेंगे सारे चेक करना है, डायग्राम बनाओ कंफर्म करो. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द कंप्लीट डायग्राम बट ओनली आई एम कंफर्मिंग द रिजल्ट. इसीलिए डायग्राम का कंसेप्ट दिमाग में रखना होगा. प्रैक्टिस कराएंगे, बोर्ड पे बुलाएंगे 1 by 1. 10 के बच्चे हो, बोर्ड पे बुलाएंगे छड़ी के साथ, याद हो जाएगा, पूरा याद हो जाएगा. जब प्रैक्टिस करो सब याद हो. तो हम कोई न्यूमेरिकल जब चेक किए कॉन्सेप्ट, डायग्राम हमको मदद करना, इसलिए डरना नहीं है. ठीक है सर, पीटेंगे पीटेंगे लेकिन सीख तो जाएंगे. दिस शुड बी द टारगेट. तो क्लास में हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे बोर्ड पे, घबराना नहीं है. सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स का में हो जाएंगे. एनसीईआरटी में तो एकदम हल्का हल्का नहीं, हम क्लास में बहुत अच्छे अच्छे न्यूमेरिकल बनाए और अच्छे अच्छे लेवल धीरे धीरे. तो चलो ये इट इज क्लियर. नाउ वी विल प्रोसीड नेक्स्ट अंडर द टॉपिक रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. Refraction of light, in the previous class we had started. What is refraction? What are its causes? What happens during the refraction? How light travels? How its path gets affected? Actually, there is a bending. A simple meaning, refraction means of light is bending. A bending means what? It is not like a wire, so it will not bend. Bending means if light ray is moving along this path, so now it will deviate from this path. This is actually bending, this deviation. So this bending means actually deviation. So in the books it has been mentioned, you have to understand that the bending of the light, there is no bending of the light. Light is not an object that it will bend. It moves through or with the help of any particular medium in certain medium. So there is a deviation of its path from its simply deviation from its path. Actual path it will deviate. That is deviation. That is bending. So we have already discussed and we have seen how it is affected. We have also discussed the rule of the refraction. Rare to denser, denser to rare. We have not mentioned till now, but last time we had discussed about the medium, in which we were discussing about two types of medium, rare medium and second denser medium. So bending takes place whenever there is a change of medium. So the medium, if one medium to another light is entering, whether its speed will increase or it will decrease. So increase, decrease means there is change in speed. Change in speed, that is due to the refraction of the light. So why changes takes place? Why there is a change in the speed of light? Why there is change in medium? On what basis we explain this is another medium, that is another medium. So we had mentioned one word the optical density of the medium. Optical density of medium. If the optical density varies, that will behave like the condition दिए थे याद करो. For the refraction, at least two mediums are required. For the refraction of light, we had discussed. बीच में डिस्टर्बेंस मत किया करो जी, शुरू में इंटर किया करो क्लास. पढ़ाते वक्त बोर्ड पे नहीं ध्यान रखता, बोर्ड पे इधर नहीं देखते हैं, तो ध्यान देना थोड़ा. साउंड म्यूट करो. कि मीडियम means through which light propagates. Optical represents property of light. Density, arrangement of particles, presence of particles. So number of particles will be more, light will travel slower. So actually rare medium is light travels faster. Comparatively, here light travels slower. Take care. Comparatively, we are just saying. If from one medium to another light is entering, it is getting slow down. It may happen that from in another medium it will move faster. So comparatively, it is slower or faster from one medium to another. If light is decreasing, speed is decreasing, then it will move back from second to first. Its speed will. So we can define a medium on the basis of the speed of light in that particular medium. So you need to observe that speed is decreasing or increasing. On that basis, you can say that the next medium is either rarer or denser. One more, we have mentioned minimum two mediums are required for the phenomenon of refraction of light. Two mediums at least, but we have shown two mediums. Two mediums are required for what? For refraction of light. But I am telling, still, if only one medium is there, only one medium, but its optical density varies, then there may be the phenomenon of refraction of light. Take care. The density of air throughout the atmosphere is not uniform. हम लोग पढ़े जी कि as we move at higher altitude, density of air changes. Air, most of the air is found near the surface of Earth. Heavier gases are mostly found near the surface of Earth. As we move upward, density decreases, pressure decreases. So the uniform distribution of the air is not available. So you can say, sir, if the gathering of air is more, air is less, it will behave like that in different media. So even the light ray is traveling in the single medium, only in air, there may be the phenomena of refraction of light. So we will see in the atmospheric refraction when light travels throughout the atmosphere and refraction takes place, even it is only single medium, that is the presence of air. If any doubt, anyone, you can ask. Anyone, कोई डाउट हो तो बोलोगे जी. But in general, two mediums are required for the phenomenon of refraction of light. This is the general concept. Now, mainly we had moved to the topic optical density. So light changes its speed due to that change. Density gathering, भीड़ भाड़ है, स्पीड स्लो हो जाएगा, भीड़ भाड़ कम है, स्पीड बढ़ जाएगा. That is optical density. So speed is main cause, but how it is changing, that is due to the changing optical density. Now we have also mentioned that light travels fastest in vacuum and air. We simply mention it speed is 3 to 10 to power 8 meter per second. And then water, we have shown it is 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Glass, that is also a transparent medium. There it is 2 into 10 power 8 per second. And finally, in diamond, some more medium you can take. This is the speed of light in various media. This is the speed of light in different medium. So light changing the medium, speed change. And vacuum, this is vacuum in which no medium. Vacuum is no medium. No any material medium is there. So light travel fastest with this. So in air, it moves with some lesser speed than this. So approx it is about 3 approx. So if you are asked that light travel fastest in which medium, then you can say if you are talking about medium, then it will be simply air. And whenever you are asked where light travel fastest, that is and vacuum is not any medium. So take care. My question is once again, in which medium light travel fastest? In which medium, that will be air. Light travel fastest in dot, not air. This time light. So whenever you are asked in medium, that is air. And overall, light. So now on this basis, we will utilize again whatever I have provided you that has been further utilized to confirm our diagram, clear, all numerical sum. So this time again, this value must be retained in our mind. We will utilize this value. So from class 8, you have been just discussing this. You have it in your mind. Now, I have just mentioned two terms, rare, denser. So either light ray will move from this to this or this to this. Only there is change of medium. Suppose you will say, sir, here first medium is there, here second is there, here third is there, here fourth medium is there. If light ray had to travel along all this, then how you can say the speed will increase or decrease? So just take care here. If here the speed is increasing with respect to this, and if the light ray is entering here, we have to see here speed in this medium and it doesn't affect the speed. So we have to see observe only two medium that the light in which it is entering, the speed is increasing or decreasing. If light ray is entering here, then what was the speed here? Only we have to compare on. If here it is increasing, decreasing, there. So only two mediums we have to mention in every case, which last time we had shown. This is the two diagram. This is denser to layer, and this is layer to denser. When the light ray enters from the layer to denser, what happens? This is the original path. This is the light ray original path. Every time you need to draw the original path with dotted line and the final ray on it. So this is angle I, this is I, this is R. Here we have written angle I is greater than. Here angle I is less than. That's it. This is very important for the examination purpose. In the competitive examination, simply it is asked if the light ray is just see the question. If light ray is moving from medium A to B, and if angle I is less than angle R, which medium is behaving as denser medium? Question देखो जी. Light ray traveling from medium A to B, and if angle I is less than angle R, which medium behaves as denser medium? बोलो जल्दी. ओके ओके एकदम क्लियर बोले हैं. ए से बी जा आर बड़ा है, आर बड़ा है तो जिसमें लाइट इंटर कर रहा वो रेयर हुआ तो अगला मीडियम डेंसर. तो ये हुआ डेंसर, ये हुआ रेयर। तो बी हुआ रेयरर, ए हुआ डेंसर। जैसे भी क्वेश्चन पूछे, मीडियम बिहेव एज डेंसर, which behave as rarer, या lighter is moving from rare to denser or denser to rare. So on this basis, you can keep it in your mind. Many more questions for 1 marks in the form of numerical objective. It is generally asked. So you need to keep it in your mind so that you can solve, you can reply question. So under this, these are the two rules of the refraction. Rare to denser, it bends toward. Denser to rare, it moves away. Already we had discussed it in your class. क्लास में हो गया था डिस्कशन जी, बोलो 10 वाले बच्चे, हो गया था, यहीं तक हुआ था लास्ट हुआ था। चलो आगे हम बढ़ते हैं थोड़ा सा इसी पर बेस्ट। देखो बार बार बोले किताब में 4 लाइन दिया है, हमें 4 लाइन से काम नहीं चलेगा, हमें 40 लाइन से, तो उसी को हम अपनी भाषा में और भी बताएंगे, बहुत सारे, जितना बताओ सब नोट कॉपी में डालना। तो अब देखेंगे कि each and every case of refraction only these 2 diagrams will be drawn। सिर्फ और सिर्फ यही डायग्राम बार बार आएगा। Why? Because either light ray from rare to denser or denser to rare. So only 2 diagrams will be repeated again and again if you draw the diagram for the various type of the refraction of light during the change of medium. Just see. क्वेश्चन एक हम देख रहे हैं इसी पर बेस्ड। ड्रॉ द ray diagram for refraction of light if it moves from, क्वेश्चन यह है जी, A glass to water, B water to air, C air to diamond, and last glass to vacuum। क्वेश्चन नोट कर लो तो पूरा क्वेश्चन नोट कर लो। ये हमारा अपना सेल्फ क्वेश्चन है जिसपे हम लोग इस टॉपिक को डिस्कस कर रहे थे। विल सिंपली हैव द डायग्राम, वन टारगेट ड्रॉ द डायग्राम। तो 4 क्वेश्चंस 4 डायग्राम ले दिया। How we will draw? I am just providing you one diagram. You will do the rest yourself. So simply I am going to draw. Note the question. So just see. A glass to water. Just see the diagram here. This is glass. This is water. Now we have to decide. Light rays moving from glass to water. Just see. This is glass, original path. Now we have to decide whether it will move away or towards, and that will be decided if you have remembered the speed of light in these two medium. Light travel slower in glass, faster in water. Water 2.25 into 10 to power. Glass 2 into 10 to power. So here speed is less, here speed is more. The speed is more in rare medium, less in denser. So here glass is behaving as denser medium. Water is behaving as rare medium. So now it is a case of denser to rare. Denser to rare, it will move away. So this will be like this. If you are asked to write the angle, sir, what will be the angle? The right angle I is less than the. You can also write this. So all the diagrams you can draw yourself. Just do. देख लो जी, कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लो, बहुत अच्छे से समझ लो, क्लियर कर लो। बुक्स में ये सब कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, सिर्फ रूल लिख के छोड़ दिया। अपने मन से बनाओगे, each and every concept will be present in your mind. रटना नहीं पड़ेगा। First of all, we will decide the nature of the medium, that it is moving from the glass to water. So glass is either acting as rarer or denser. So that's why I have told you, keep the speed of light in different medium. याद है हमको तब ना, नहीं याद अगर हमें है, इसमें स्पीड ज्यादा पता है, इसमें गलत हो जाएगा। पता है कि ग्लास में स्लोवर चलता है, इसमें फास्ट आती है, रेयर हुआ ये, और बाकी सब में वही होगा, रेयर टू डेंसर, डेंसर टू। ड्रॉ योरसेल्फ। All the diagrams should be completed by you. Only 2 diagrams will be repeated again and again. In the case of just I providing you the clue, water to air, air maximum speed, it is denser to rare. Air to diamond, rare to denser. Glass to vacuum, denser to rare. Just see, denser to rare, denser to rare. 2 diagrams here. This is denser to rare. This will be only rare to denser. So in all 3 cases, same diagram will be there. Only the medium will be changed, but the figure will remain same. So just do yourself and try to understand, then move forward. I think there should not be any problem to anyone. किसी को कोई डाउट है तो बोलना चाहिए। कोई डाउट हो, दिक्कत हो तो बोल दो। हम इंडिकेट कर चुके हैं, इस आधार पे डायग्राम बना लो। सब तीनों का डायग्राम D2R, 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 सेम डायग्राम। ठीक है। अब कोई एक बात बताओ हमको कि एंगल I बराबर एंगल R, जो हम लोग लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन पढ़ते थे, वो यहाँ होगा कि नहीं, हाँ या ना? बोलना है, लिखना नहीं है, बोलना है। This law of reflection, is it valid for refraction? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of refraction. Angle of incidence, angle of refraction equal होंगे. Is it valid or not? In all cases we have. हाँ जी, सबका जवाब नो ही है या कोई यस भी है बोलने वाला? ध्यान रहे, यस तो क्यों, नो तो क्यों, हमको दोनों का रीजन चाहिए। आंसर नहीं छापना है कि ये आंसर होगा, अगर ये आंसर है तो कैसे, गलत है तो कैसे, सही है तो कैसे, दोनों करना है। तो चलो I इज इक्वल टू R पर हम थोड़ा बात कर। हाँ जी, चलो ये सरफेस है, सेपरेशन टू बाउंड्री, हम लाइट को इंसिडेंट कराते हैं, ये लाइट सीधा चला जाएगा। इस केस में I का वैल्यू बोलो कितना होगा? हाँ जी, और लोग दूसरे बच्चे। Light is incident on a surface perpendicularly. What is the value of angle of incidence? I का वैल्यू बताओ, बोलो। गलत होगा तो होगा, डरते क्यों हो, पहले बोलना सीखो। 0 डिग्री, राइट। तो ऐसा नहीं बोलना कि 90, 90 का मतलब होता है कि ये एंगल जो बनाता था नॉर्मल के साथ, इट इज ऑलरेडी नॉर्मल एंड इट इज आल्सो द इंसिडेंट रे कोइंसाइड कर रहा, नॉर्मल और इंसिडेंट रे पर होते तो एंगल 0, y 0 डिग्री, और यहाँ पर एंगल r ही है 0 डिग्री। हाँ कि नहीं हो रहा है? It means angle I is equal to angle R and there is no bending of the path of the light ray. So it is the case of no refraction. So if angle I is equal to angle R, no refraction will occur. So angle of law of reflection is valid for refraction, then it is not the case of reflection. Valid हो रहा है, लेकिन जैसे ही रिफ्लेक्शन का लॉ वैलिड हुआ, ये फेनोमेना ही खत्म हो गया कि रिफ्रैक्शन, नो रिफ्रैक्शन। हम लोग देखेंगे प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में क्वेश्चन था कि व्हाई द स्टिक इज प्लेस्ड इन वाटर अपीयर्स टू बेंड। पानी में छड़ी को या कोई सीधा स्टिक को रखते हैं तो टेढ़ा दिखता है, टेढ़ा दिखेगा रिफ्रैक्शन टेक्निक है, लेकिन जब सीधा होकर ऐसे देखते हैं परपेंडिकुलरली लाइट, तब वो हमको सीधा का सीधा दिखता है, नो बेंडिंग इज देयर। So that is simply the case of this perpendicular incident ray. You can say in this way that yes, under a certain condition, specific condition, this is for today. We will start next day. Okay, thank you.